Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Geography 104, World Regional Geography. My name is Samuel Cortez, and I am your instructor for the class. We are scheduled to officially start our class today, Monday, June 15, 2020. You can go to https sdccd.instructure.com /login/canvas to log on into the course. There you will find all the information to get you started in the course. You will also find the syllabus, which has valuable information about the content of the course, as well as materials as textbooks that we will need for this class. This is an intense 8-week course, and as a result, quizzes, discussions, and reflections are due weekly. So I urge you to log in and immediately engage with the course. Remember, this is a fully online class, and students will be required to complete weekly assignments in a virtual environment and should have regular and reliable access to a computer with an internet connection. I'm excited and eager to start the class. I hope you are too. This course examines the diverse social, cultural, political, economic, and environmental geographies of different regions of the world. This is a thematic course. It's not your traditional where is what geography course. This is an issues-oriented class that explicitly recognizes the vast geographic changes that are taking place because of globalization. As geographers, we think it is essential to understand and critique two interactive themes: the consequences of convergent environmental, cultural, political, and economic systems inherent to globalization, and the persistence and even expansion of geographic diversity and differences in the face of globalization. In conjunction with lectures, course material will be covered through readings, mapping assignments in class and online discussions, written assignments, and film. This is the reason why we geographers emphatically say that geography matters. I hope at the end of the course you will understand why geography matters as well. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you online, and I look forward to a great class. Feel free to contact me with questions that you may have. You can contact me via Canvas or by emailing me at scortez@sdcc.edu. Looking forward to meeting you all. Sincerely, Samuel Cortez.